Now I'm trapped in the shields for now, cause looks like that's the end of me for now. Ha! There she is. Now let's bust this door down. What? Oh no! Lucius! Hey there, my friend. Do you mind if we drop in? Who are you? Don't worry, I'm gonna get you out of here. I'm shutting down your shield. I am busting you out of here. Thank you. I'm free. Oh, and I'm with the girl, Lindsay and Woodpecker, and Minion Bob. And I'm getting you out of here.
Lindsay? Beth? Wait, she recognized you?
Huh?
Yeah!
Huh?
But then, now that's his friend. And we're taking him out of here because, look at the list.
Ba-blo-ba?
Nip, don't you see?
Happy Racer, check out the list. Rescue mission. 1, Beth. 2, Cody, Jeff. 2, 3, Jeff or Noah. 5, Justin. 6, Trent. 7, Lashana. 8, TJ. 9, Izzy. 10, Tyler. 11, Owen. 12, Gwent. And now I'm on the checklist. Okay. Beth. So I got unmarked. Maybe I'll save this for later. Now come on, let's get out of here before anything else happens. Come on, go.
So let me get this straight. Heather has betrayed you in season 1. And Beth got eliminated first for her punishment. Yes? And plus, Lindsay was next after other people was eliminated on the competition. After Bridget, Lindsay has lose a challenge in a bike race, and Heather voted you off because she is a traitor to the world. Because you cursed her off. And there's some eliminating words like beep 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 beep. Ow! Thanks, Kevin. And you say goodbye to your friends except Heather. And then you will not gonna be on the same team as Heather anymore. Because you don't want to listen to him anymore. Because, yeah, so. Yeah, tell us about it. I'm kind of confused.
Say, maybe we should talk about this later. Because the Minions, because, he met Lindsay in New York after he got eliminated voted off by Courtney. Right, Bob?
See?
And so the Minions saved her life. He did? Yes. They are. Because they are the best. Minions. Yeah, that's Gru's Minions. If you want to meet him, Gru, we're headed to Hollywood. Okay. So, because you said you're not gonna be on the same team as Heather, so let's check on those flashbacks. It is so great to free from Heather. I could turn you more and stuff. I with Tetro, you know.
Oh, so now I get it. You did not go to join Heather anymore.
Okay. Hollywood Anthropa.
Oh, now we're here.
Wow. Well, we're here. We made it. Just in time. Wow, that's amazing. Well, we're here. And without Heather, we are safe in here. Wow, that was pretty nice.
Wow, that was perfect. Without Heather. Hey, wait for me. Well, looks like we have to make a different plan. Okay, everyone, listen up. We have a new plan to rescue Lindsay's new total drama classic competitor. Like this.
Oh.
And so, the race starts tomorrow. Here,
hey Woody, what are you doing here so late?
Oh, SpongeBob, meet Lindsay's new friend, Beth. She's from Total Drama, and we rescued him for the mission.
Oh, hi, nice to meet you. I'm SpongeBob. It's good to meet you. I have my friends Mordecai, Rigby, and Patrick, and my equal friend Woody the Woodpecker.
Oh, he's your equal. Yeah, a very equal one. And my another friend is Bommy Exploderson. He's from season 1. And yeah, I meet.
See? Well, let's on with the race tomorrow, okay? Okay. Oh, hi, hello, Danny D. Prime. Good to see you again. So do I, SpongeBob. Thanks. Okay, let's get on to the race tomorrow. My next race challenge. Come on, go. Okay. Hey, Lindsay, what are you doing with this? Oh, this is Woody's cart, and I'm repairing it.
So, I'm agreeing with her.
Oh, nice cart there, Woody.
Yeah, so cool.
Okay, come next door. Actually, that's Woody's cart, and that's his favorite.
Yeah, and so Woody has won many champions. Yeah, and I win in the battle mode tournament. Especially orange. What? Too soon? Yeah, too soon.
So, how come... So, Lucius was your enemy?
Yep, Chris McLean is responsible for disqualifying Lucius forever. In season 1.
See? Start.
And so, we have to think another plan is on to the next race on... Huh? Oh, this is my friend Bommy Exploderson.
Hello, lady. Ma'am. How are you doing?
Hi, I am Beth. And you...
I am Bommy Exploderson.
Yeah, he just know. So yeah.
I like to see you in a race. And I'll... Moment. I'll meet you again somehow.
See? He's good.
Yeah. Sort of.
Okay, so On with the race.
Whoa, whoa. Kevin, get back, get back, get back. Kevin.
Oh, and Stuart, be careful with Kevin's favorite England scooter. Besides, you're gonna ruin it last time. So, let's talk about this later, okay, Beth?
Sure, okay.